A light magnitude 3.1 earthquake occurred in the Sulawesi 83 kilometers, 52 miles from Indonesia in the early morning of Tuesday, May 27, 2025 at 4:32 a.m. local time, GMT+8. The depth of the quake could not be determined, but is assumed to be shallow. The quake was not felt, or at least not reported so. First to report, BMKG after 5 minutes. The earthquake occurred 5 weeks after a magnitude 3.2 earthquake had hit on Saturday, April 19, 2025, at 1:01 a.m. GMT+8 local time, in 91 kilometers, 57 miles, distance to the south. Data source from Volcano Discovery. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May God protect everyone. Amen.